Hello everyone, today we're talking about how to get free gems and coins in Project Makeover. As you can see, for my mobile devices, Project Makeover ++ application is already working, and to get free gems and coins for Project Makeover, all you need to do, we must enter amount as you want. And this video tutorial I will show you how it's work for mobile devices. Okay, enter amount, press generate. Now as you can see, everything is generated, so way to complete of this process. After finish, our Project Makeover account will be open. Okay, it's already open our account. Now we must wait, and boom, look of this, everything is work. Now I get free gems and coins in Project Makeover, and this method is updated and working in 2023 for mobile devices. So how to get Project Makeover ++ for Android or iOS device? Basically, it's a very easy method. Open your favorite browser, okay, scroll down and type this, the Project Makeover, okay, press install. And now as you can see, Project Makeover is already installed in my devices and everything is working. Enjoy and thank you for watching.